This is the first one we've ever shipped.
In 2016, Jensen delivered NVIDIA's AI supercomputer, the first of its kind, to Elon Musk, then a board member of OpenAI, which used it to create the building blocks of ChatGPT.
How are you?
When AI took off,
hey guys,
so did Jensen Huang's reputation.
Can we get a picture?
Yeah.
He's now a Silicon Valley celebrity. He told us the boy who immigrated from Taiwan at age 9 could never have conceived of this.
It is the most extraordinary thing, Bill, that a normal dishwasher busboy could grow up to be this.